Hello everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with another drink video for you all today. So today's drink, I'm going to be making a Kinky Green Goblin cocktail. So what I'm going to be using in this drink today is the green apple Smirnoff, some melon liqueur, Master of Mixes sweet and sour, some pineapple juice, and the green Kinky. So what I'm going to do is fill my glass up with some ice. Pour in some of the melon liqueur. And in my shaker, I'm going to pour in some more of that melon liqueur. A shot of the green apple vodka. Or you can do two. 2 shots of the sweet and sour. And then I'm going to pour in my pineapple juice. And I'm going to give that a shake. And the melon liqueur is like a 25% alcohol volume. So you can pour more alcohol in it if you would like. So I'm going to get this poured in here. I'm going to top it with some more ice. And then I'm going to dump the Kinky in. And then what I'm going to do is just garnish with some cherries and a lemon. And there you have it. The Kinky Green Goblin. So I hope you all enjoyed this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye-bye.